Hey guys, welcome to the first in my series of videos on how to make a hairpin leg. We've been making these things every day for the last 7 years, and I'm going to show you how we do it. So let's take a look. Let's do it. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. That's just an overview. Next video, I'm going to get into this super simple cutter with a backstop. It eliminates measuring. Then we're going to get into the bender, the welding fixture, my own bracket design, and some other bracket options. Make sure you subscribe, stick around for that, and I've got a few other things coming. So, thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.